Condo living is great, but you've got to get creative with your storage space. It's Kaedy Kiely for Artisan Custom Closets. I heard great things about these folks. All of the designers at Artisan are certified, and the owner, Lisa, is the only master designer in the state. All the custom closets are cut right in the factory in Marietta, delivered to your home for installation by actual Artisan employees, not contractors. So my issue, you walk in my front door and you look straight at a closed door down the hall, the guest bedroom. Now, the guest bedroom has beautiful windows and a great view, but it's a bedroom, and the only place to put the bed is right where it's in the view if you open the front door. I went to Artisan Custom Closets website and saw wall beds. Ta-da! It was like the heavens opened up. So designer Megan came to my home. She did all the measuring. I can't wait to tell you about this process where I can get not only a wall bed that'll give me a great view from the front door, but I'll also get great storage around that bed. I bet you've got some storage issues. All right, so we just took the picture down. Really wasn't that hard. And you give it a tug, and what's so amazing is it stops there so you don't conk yourself in the head. Pulls down super easily. Just watch out for any small pets underneath. Ta-da. It's like butter. And then look, one of my favorite things Megan helped me pick out was this light, and it gets very bright at night. It's awesome, a reading light. And it just kind of touch sensors. I'm not sure how to shut it off. There we go. Nope. And also we'll have some art for the wall back here too.